Hey everyone, welcome back to Python Challenge series. Today we tackle challenge for you titled Peak Hell. Sounds spooky, but the real trick lies in pronunciation. So the title says Peak Hell and the hint says pronounce it. Try saying it loud. Peak Hell, pickle. That's it. It sounds like pickle, the serialization library of Python. But there is nothing visible to serialize on the web page. So we go to the code. If we go through the source code, we get a strange tag peak hell with source as banner.p. We click on banner.p and we get some data. And this data can be deserialized. So we have to use this data for our pickle library. That means we have to use this URL to fetch the data and unpickle the data. Now we go to our code. So first we import our request library and pickle library. Now our URL was this. So we fetch the data response is equals to request.get URL. Now we need to unpickle the data we received from URL. So pickle.loads content. Now if we try to print this data, we get a list of list where each element is actually a tuple with character and a number. That means we have to print this character this many number of times. So for data inside, we print these characters given number of times. We rerun the code and we get the output channel. So we replace pic.html with channel. And we solve the challenge. As always, the clean and well documented code is available on my GitHub repository. The link is in the description. If you enjoy this challenge, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more Python puzzles and solutions. See you in challenge 6.